Is your topper shining or brighter than a disco ball? Don't worry, you're not alone. It's a common issue many face, and many factors can contribute to it. This video will show you some ways you can dial down the shine, but first, let's tackle the source. Shiny toppers can be caused by a few things, such as the base material being shiny, like a poly skin. You can notice the shine right at the roots. The adhesive also has a shine that may be visible through the base, especially with lace-based toppers. Or it could be that final seal the manufacturers use to keep the hair quality intact. Some hair already has a natural shine, and sometimes when adding that seal, it can create more shine. Now that we know what causes this shine, we can determine the best course of action to reduce it. There are a couple of ways you can do this. After checking your topper, place it on your head before attaching it. At this point, you'll notice if the shine is bearable. If it is too blinding and you can't seem to part with your topper, simply wash your topper with shampoo and conditioner. But avoid any products that offer shine as their benefit. The shine will usually reduce after the first wash, especially if it is due to the manufacturer's seal. Now, if that doesn't work, try Dry Shampoo. Dry shampoo is designed to remove oils from natural hair, giving it a more matted look. However, with darker hair, it could look like you threw up baby powder onto your topper. Luckily, there are dry shampoos designed to avoid this white powder look. It's always best to try them out before adding them to the entire topper. If you are looking for a lighter alternative to dry shampoo, use baby powder. It's simple to use. Pour some onto your hands and dab it onto your hair. You can even do this with cotton balls. Once done, shake it off. Remember to use baby powder and not just any regular powder to keep it from discoloring or leaving a white residue on your topper. Lastly, in the future, to prevent shine in the topper, you can look into purchasing other bases that do not offer a shiny finish. Polyskin materials are naturally glossy, whereas French or Swiss lace materials have a duller finish. And that's it. A good wash or two should fix any unwanted shine from the hairpiece. However, if that's not working, you can try the other methods mentioned to see if they help. Interested in learning more about toppers? Subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time.